What's up, everybody? Fatboy in here. I'm going to bring you a little bit of a product review real quick. Actually, this is from Academy Sports and Outdoors, but let me tell you a little bit about this. This is the Eagle Claw freshwater tackle kit with the steel and 10 sinkers. Basically, this kit includes a lot of it, but let me show you a little bit about when it comes to freshwater. Say you was going to go somewhere, you want to go out for a day, you ain't used to fishing, you ain't really been fishing, or you're looking for that first-time gift for somebody, or even a recreational angler, or even a pro angler. Well, I'm not a pro myself, but I love to fish. But myself, I would use this. But let me tell you a little bit about it real quick. The reason why I would use this myself, I want to pack light. This is going to have a little bit of everything you need for it. Whether it's bass, your bluegills, even your little catfish. So in this little compartment right here, you're going to have your little tackle box comes good with it. Got your little clamps onto it. Up here, you're going to have some little bass hooks. You're going to have your catfish hooks. You're going to have your crappie hooks, which are going to be pretty decent as well. Then over here, you'll have your freshwater hooks. Now, this is going to have a variety of them, from your salmon, your bluegills, even your crappies. But what I like about this, it actually has different sizes. I'm talking about all the way down to trout. Very, very small hook on it. It also has a catfish rig on here, or I like to call it a turtle rig. And you're probably wondering why, because you can get the guards with it as well. Actually, your steel leader right there has steel leader into it. You will have some of your swivels. You'll have the little swivel clamps, little trout line clamps basically in there too. A little variety of it. You'll have some of the variety of weights, whether you're looking for the egg sinker, a bell sinker, or your bite-ons, which is pretty cool. Now you're looking for some jigs, you'll have your furry little jigs on there, the yellow one, or you'll have plain white head jigs on there. Like I said, the little furry one. Or you'll have the all white. Then you'll also have your pre-rigged Snell bait holder hooks. And your bait holder hooks down here is going to have the little hooks on the back of them, which will actually be, keep the night crawlers on there a little bit better. Over here, you have your little pamphlet, little booklet, shows you somehow the rigs. So that way you're new to the rigs, or somebody's like, hey, how do you tie a rig? And you don't want to show them. Instructions. Am I going to read it? No, I ain't going to read it. Say you want to keep a few fish for the day. Now you're going to have your little stringer. Also, you want to cut your line. You're going to have a line cutter in there. Then you're also going to have your little crappie rigs, which I kind of like too also. Little crappie rig is going to go down. This is going to have a line going down, already pre-tied. And it's going to have two little hooks on it. And then over here also, already using. Bow. Right there. Little hook remover. So that way if you're out here fishing, you want to take a little fish off your hook, and you don't want to get your hands dirty, and you just want to hook it up, you can do that as well. But it's a good little tackle box, man. Good little beginner tackle box, man. But I would definitely recommend it, man. It's cheap, but good, gets the job done. Anyways, man, y'all looking for that, man, you picked up at Academy Sports. It's the Eagle Claw tackle box. Anyways, man, get out to your local Academy Sports and Outdoors, pick this up. And like I always say, man, live to fish, fish to live. Fatboy Dan's Great Outdoors.